When me tip up and look on, so I say blood cleat and I wrong blood.
Oh,
Me
no.
throw water and I bed, me throw
Oh
water
my
and I
God. Oh, so Anna, this mattress you sleep on?
Yeah.
Oh no. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Say hello, Marcel.
Hello.
Alright guys, so this morning we are heading to Chappy Brown and we are going to be delivering some groceries to him. Our donors, of course, I always say this, have been sending us barrels, and as such we are able to deliver some grocery items to Chappy Brown. We have a donor who specifically asked us to bring him some beans and some other items, so we are just taking the journey this morning so that we can deliver those things. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated and so other persons can see the content that we produce over here. Alright, so in the meantime, enjoy the journey, and of course if you hear anything different, it's a car hitting up in the road. It's not, well, let me say, the road is bad, right Marcel? Because I always say the road is not too good. You look at me like, not too good? Yeah, the road is bad, but we're almost there. What happened?
That's your road. That's your road stay.
And in fact, this is the better part of the road because the first part was worse.
Better part still bad.
Alright, so see Chappy Gate right here. So we are here, but we're gonna turn and come back. Oh my God.
It's gonna turn right in.
Yeah, man. You can manage that. There. Sometimes when we come, he goes out on the road to maybe buy something or so. So we're hoping that he's here today. Alright,
we're gonna just everything we can pass.
guys, so we are going to head up the hill right now to Chappy Brown's house.
Chappy Brown bag heavy, you know?
Yeah, it is heavy. I checked it and realized. So for those persons who may not be familiar with him, he's visually impaired. He lives alone, and you know, would have visited him on a few occasions before. And so,
Watch us here.
yeah.
And slide on the board.
Oh Lord, hold on. Now that you said that. All right. Yeah. What was I saying before? Don't remember. Oh, I think I was saying we visited him a couple of times before.
Yeah.
So, bringing him some food this morning. Thanks so much to all our donors for always supporting us. We wouldn't be able to do the work that we are doing without your help. So, we're thanking you. We're thanking God. And we pray that, God continue to bless you immensely. So you will be able to always assist us and assist others.
See plum?
Yeah, a lot of plum.
Plum up on that tree.
Yeah. See them.
Chappy!
Wow. The road slippery too, Marcel.
Yeah.
I hope us not hearing him answer is not an indication that he's not there. After we come all this way.
Tell you, the door open.
Okay. Him wash this one and it seemed like.
Chappy Brown.
Okay, thank God.
Where are
he's
they? Yeah.
Wow. Tired, guys, tired. When you send them, Marcel?
In the over, so. Say, come.
Okay.
We are go up in the house.
Oh, Lord. Oh, wow. Chappy Brown, what you do?
Too bad, eh?
Huh?
Going too bad.
You're not too bad? Where you come from?
I want to go away.
Oh, where you do over there?
I say, yeah, a couple of days, sucker away.
Oh, what kind of soccer that? Sorry? Oh.
Big meeting, say.
Oh. So you just pull up those?
You're in a problem. Okay, come.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning. Are you a wash?
Yeah.
Oh.
Put them up,
You have to catch a fire to get rid of the mosquito.
So I make spray about the hand no use to it. Kaya hand man no use the mosquito sometimes if you see if smoke around them now and then
Come back.
Yeah, if you have a spray now you put it on and then a week. And before they hear them no stop.
So spray out the house so they don't bother you.
Some when me have a spray with me. And a spray with me. I remember if me tell Ziggy if you buy no spray for me.
Oh, Ziggy, your son? Oh.
Yeah, I thought was spray and say if he spray done already, me say yes man, you must get them body no man.
Must hit them body, I have to give them more spray.
Yeah, if you give them
Oh wow, because when we come down there some realize that the mosquito them big.
yeah man.
So how have things been going?
Well, I go on smooth away still, you know. I really appreciate thing what I say me know I can't stay.
Oh, how is Tom treat you?
He rough.
Damage your house?
It was like 10 tobacco when it was
Do you think them blow off at the two back room?
Some rusty one make it back and put me up there, put back up couple up there. Me chew them up there on nail. Me say mosquito, I come on for terror in the house. Me have to try see if me can cover up it back, cover up it like.
Oh, okay.
But nah. Part of some about it going. Back blow up, make it get.
Okay, but apart from that, everything else alright. Yeah. Alright, so we come this morning and we carry some groceries. We have some donors, they would have sent us barrels, and so one of them specifically asked us to give you some beans because they heard when you say you eat a lot of beans and so on.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of beans in there. So we put it up at your doorway because when you reach in there,
Yeah.
so you have your stuff in there when you know, when we leave you can go through, or when we end the recording, if you want us to show you, we can do that.
Can do it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So yes, boy, I give thanks to life still. Some day I go and blow, you know.
Yeah, say thanks to the donors. Say thanks to the donors, Chappy Brown.
Oh yeah, thanks for everything. Thanks to some food and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, food one, you know.
Of course.
Food
You never run out though. You did all right.
yeah, the food in there. Might be like a fish man by quarter pound last night. I see occupancy and so you know so much occupancy.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. You have a lot of akis, man.
What say me no say so much. Man. You tell me yesterday.
So who pick it for you when you want it?
You know say me never know say to pick last week Monday they come here and ask for stick and me and say stick broke. I ain't going but tell me say it open.
Oh.
And last week next Tuesday gone. Jim come here. I said, right, you do a park here, man.
Yeah.
Go around him just and pick up, give me.
Okay, okay. Because we see a lot up in the top, but they look like they must spoil now, like water.
Yeah, water rain come down now. Because right now, I say, I don't want some to cook today.
Oh.
You know, I say, I was digging up, you know, come still, so I don't know.
Yeah. But most of what we are looking at, them look spoiled, way up.
Okay, so that means
Unless
I'll
you can
cut down that
find.
tree there, you know.
They cut down the ackee tree?
I'll cut it down here, man.
But
It's a beer, but I not get none of them.
you not get none because you don't know when you're up in. Somebody have to tell you and pick it for you.
Somebody tell you.
Yes.
Somebody come and look up, you know.
And I'm more than one because we never see that one.
Then two of them I like, and two are some big fat one.
Okay.
And when I find out about it good since, yes, good.
So you have plum tree too because we see a lot of plum drop off.
Yeah, 3 plum tree down there. Yesterday, market man said he come yesterday, but I never really take him, I never see him come. Got breadfruit, the plum tree, plum did it, and
Yes.
but I see.
Also, if he come, you can sell him a couple of things and so on.
Yeah, he come like last 2 weeks now, he come.
Yeah, yeah. Look at that
And he
pumpkin
come.
hanging up tall in the tree. You see it, Master?
Down there, yeah, so one pumpkin down there. Yeah, it's a big tree, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, another tree, December to
So the pumpkin bear up in the tree.
Because he run go up,
Wow.
and he up there, he be a bigger. More ground.
Yeah.
I tell some pick one big one there December. And cut in a half, my sister piece.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
And then somebody show me the one.
Somebody show you.
Somebody show me say in there, so I just shake and it come down.
But see, I pick
That
the
one
ripe.
down, yeah.
See, I pick the ripe coffee. Oh, you know which one ripe.
You see
You
red?
see it? You see the red? Oh.
See a different type color.
Okay,
We have to
okay.
open it up near.
All right.
Take it a ripe up, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, look up near, but I look up near upon them estate, you know.
Because I'm here wondering how you know the ripe one.
Yeah,
So see, I hit you look
right.
for.
And go up near it.
Yeah.
So you see me, I'll pick them up and make coffee.
Do you drink coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And like if me make it, I may drink some.
But when you make
give
you
some
drinking,
too.
so you not drink the ones like what them sell?
Yeah man, me get one bottle from one of my bridging in December gone. Yeah.
Okay.
Shango.
Yeah.
Calice. I'm bridging from Canada, you know, come pick you August. And come in and give me clothes and money.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Bridging man. Yeah man, we there man. I give
Yeah.
a thanks to no man because time many man can't give no thanks you know for them gone.
Yeah. That's so true. If you know me, I walk it or else.
Yeah, man,
The place slippery.
Slippery, man.
Yeah. So you have to be careful too, cause.
But yes, man. Me get one job and plum tree down so they are not ready about 2 years now. And I tell you, say, you know, sometimes you feel the whole of this hand happening, you know.
It hurt.
Drop on the hand and it come, yo, me can't go so and take up nothing, it come like a broke hand broke. Sometimes, you know, not all the time.
Yeah.
Just sometimes you just feel and I say then can't take up nothing, you know.
Yeah. Up here cold and it look like the salt take long for dry up me because you have so much of the trees close to the house.
Young man, son and the rain fall a couple of days, you know.
Yeah, and it fell really hard yesterday, so you can't complain about water now, you know. You have water.
No man, water there, man. So we can't wash so heavy again now.
Yeah. Oh, you washed this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go on good, man.
Man. Can't take your clothes and wash them out, you know.
Yes.
So when I come in over, wait for no one, put them in water, I know when they clean, you know.
Yeah.
Can I wash for me a youth. I cook for me about 7 years old. So I know when they clean, you feel it. And you feel it, man.
Yeah. Also, you left them one left to do a soak?
Yeah, me did wash out them, so I go in the house and I say, alright, then I have some working for 2 shirts, 2. I fling them in night, I say, no, waste no water.
Okay.
So I know, I run, go to the road and come back and I come back fast, so I take up the mattress before I wet up. The water I fling upon him and wet up in the house, it wet up in night, man.
How comes? What happened?
Whenever the rain come down, I come from a bush hut and I'm never bathed at night, I never so dirty, so I say, let's wipe off, wash off my foot and something, and I wash off water and say, I back door, I back room now. I say, you know, I just throw it on so I'm not hopping back no door. And I go so and throw water, I don't hear any drop on the floor. Give me blood, clean, throw water, no sound. When I tip up and look on, so I say blood clean, then I rang blood, I throw water and I bed, I throw water.
Oh my God. Also, Anna, this mattress is sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I throw it in the bed, you know.
You don't hear it drop at all?
I hear water drop quiet, I throw it around one zinc there, a back door, so I put up. So I throw water so to the back door, so you hear it touch the zinc and I go ground and touch the ground. You don't hear any drop of ground, man. You don't hear no water, you don't hear me blow, you know, when I throw water. And I don't man say, look man, and I come back so I look, I say, when blow, and I come back and I see the table. I see 2 water jugs I put on. I say, blow, you know, say in the room I throw water.
Oh no.
Every time I rush in there and drop 2 sheets. The soak I go down and I take one and rub out it and then throw up on the wire and yeah, and I turn over my mattress. It's a day before yesterday, so I never there yesterday and I come, I say, well, if me have to go see if I can eat out. I there, you know, but I never remember.
Yeah.
I know say so wet up in the evening, I say, but the mattress no wet up, man.
The soak, bad.
So, I mean, take up here and I say, alright, I sun it.
Oh no, so you have to make sure so you take up because the rain might come early.
I say if I go to the road, I just want 5 minutes, I take, you know. I come back, you know, because I mattress direct, because I put on water, I say, if I draft water boot to go in the house. I run, go to the road and come back.
Okay. How you go to the road, go do?
So I have $250 for health here.
Oh, you go make your payment?
I say, I pay him for, I go 3 days, I don't see him. 3 times, I don't see him. So. I say, I run go there this morning.
Yeah, but the shop lock when work come in?
You could red yellow shop.
I
say about 3 or 4 times I go there and shop lock.
Okay.
That's why I say, I catch him this morning. I mean, you like Damien gone on, so I don't know. One van pass on, Damien pass on. Yeah, one gone on, so.
Yeah.
You know, I taxi man get a bag of fertilizer, train and ground.
Oh, for train your ground? How you plant over there, yam?
Yam.
Oh.
500 yam over there.
500 hill.
I mean, there, I say. You want to fix up good, look at God, you say, I want a room long, you say.
Yeah.
One room lang sa malo pa sa 2 for ang ka ni mosquito na namin one one room lang roadside lang sa may ano lahat from chilong sa.
Yeah.
May plan may sa may no ano. Me look me check $270. $270,000. Me say that I buy black and steel. Mall.
Okay.
So I say, I get them the first.
Yeah, on your way.
I take time I go on, but I start it.
Have you started?
Yeah, but me I say too ill I am still, me no know.
Oh, so you pray that the yam come in.
Yeah, me say, me look on one load of mallow last year, no, but not me no get.
Oh, you look one load of mal last year?
Yes.
Who did I look it from?
Out I grown.
Oh, get what you mean.
At $15 itself, you know. Me make the first money me make out, I make 44,000.
Yes.
And me go buy one so I say, boy, my doctor was 6 months, 8 months, you know, I see. Me can come out, you know, and me go over next ground so go work. Me say, me go buy food, you know, get go soup. Me go to the road with 30,000 and last. You get 30,000 last and nobody not give me back. Then go buy a piece of chicken and sit down on the stone. I look like a bill for the out and pack it same place. And then give me back, me go back up at the shop there again.
That's how when you say?
In January.
Oh, okay.
January. Money he paid me for coats for 1,000, but I say I pay 10,000 pound last store for me and go buy some fertilizer. I say me no bank on $10,000. All right, gone.
Oh no.
Come back on work ground again, me fix up the back still.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I take the whole man, nobody no say they fine and give me a blow, I take a money and give me.
Maybe somebody gone with that now.
Gone with the man up, but when girl help me look for that thing, say we might look for money if he last money. I must go along a station. So it's alright, man, that. Yeah.
Alright, the Chappy Brown.
Yes, I'm give thanks to you, no man.
Yeah, man.
You know, say God I work though. You know, say my run for me last night.
Yeah?
God not even know.
Yes, man.
Me say me come and see this, me say you know, say my run for me last night.
I'll see we are this morning.
Yeah.
Maybe we did call your name.
Most. Because me never say nothing still, me go say. I may say. And when me see you now again, hear me that. Hear me right. Me could have raised 125 chicken and me hear me tell me say chicken right by your car. You know. I say chicken right by your car.
Chicken right by my car?
Hey. You know, that's you.
No, I will tell her that.
Oh, girl tell me say chicken mark by your car.
No, sir. We don't have no chicken mark on our car.
Oh.
We have the channel name on the car. Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
Oh.
Maybe
like
she not see it good.
Oh, something like that.
All right, so we're glad we come see you and everything.
Man. Give
All right.
Man. Oh, yeah, man. Our food there.
Yeah, man.
I don't have to think about no food here this week again.
You don't have to think about no food for this week again. Yeah. That should last you for a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Come and they say they come now. Me say, I mean get one money on me. He say coach bill bill. So me run me give Angie. Up here me give me the change. Say me how money must tell him too bad. So the bathroom make me bed in a house.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Fix up, put up and drum up some runnings and fix up in there. Side like me.
Okay. Maybe because it's dark to you not see properly. See, you know you have one planting down there, sir?
Put on.
Right there, so?
Yeah.
Oh, you put it there?
Yeah, I put on 2 the farm where I go the farm last week.
Oh, so I cannot sell them.
I didn't buy them, so they maga.
Them maga?
So they say.
Oh, bro. If you want to give me that, prefer you sell it and make money and fight. But since you said that,
take off, buy man, I sell till. Go for get the money. We buy food, me give. The man go buy his parts them now, man, for
the bathroom? Oh, okay.
That me look for. Which one you want to have?
I don't know. Anyone you give me take it. 3 green ones.
It's a green one. Yes.
Whoa. Man, these mosquitoes.
Man.
Thank you.
Must tell them.
These mosquitoes ain't joking. Them bite hot.
In the boat, I know them off.
Oh. Man, the mosquito, they're not going good.
Them off already. I see him pop a couple of already in past. And you know, she gone again and come back a yard.
Wow.
Don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, Chappy Brown. We see you. Take it easy, alright?
Oh, yeah, thanks again, yeah.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Jesus, alright.
Yes, Chappy Brown.
Alright. No, Aki.
No. You can't eat it.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so
If
see
you
you.
have lower Aki, then you
Yeah,
put a
man.
picket theme, but all of them spoil.
Eh?
Them
Okay,
spoil.
funny, man.
This a good one? You want to pick some for him? You know, say one? Okay. So guys, we decide we're going to pick a few low down Aki for Chappy Brown before we leave because we see a few good ones.
What do you want? 1,000?
Yeah, man, all that.
I pull out the man. Do I want them?
Aye. I say sound like they, man.
Oh, you see low down ones.
Yeah. Bob Chappy.
Yeah, one bucket me lah. Machine here like them and care.
Show me this, you know. Stay right.
I actually me cook but me get about 8 pile me grow on it and hold on them there. And hold them and search them grow and me find.
Oh, you found a few.
Eh?
You did find some.
About 8 me find for myself. And you know nothing never there.
Yeah?
Food there but no fish never there.
Oh, okay.
And me go to the shop now forget 1/4 pound of saltfish and the shop lock up.
Uh-oh.
And me come back around now, me say kids say what me have cook, me say boy, me find something Rasta. Me say me find something till tomorrow.
Yeah.
And me come, me feel couple, that's a 2 crowd man.
Yeah.
I say me take on 2 cheese already, 2 cheese come down this up. Me want, I say me want make up fire under this one. Part of me can't.
2, 3, man.
A 2 years man, but I crowd up here and I thought me one night so much fruit man.
People, man.
Then what?
Call people make them picky.
Who me fi call? Me don't know who fi call.
You know, my neighbor.
My neighbor there walking. Me know where Tinya what no aki. Everything no aki. And if you want to tell them I pick me.
You can't pick it for yourself. You can't how you pick it.
I never bird food me can't pick for myself. Say if them no check up, come do it for themselves, Man, if a man come and want him picking a brother, but me don't know who figgy. Because I lost a couple of we live nearby. And them people nobody no hungry.
Belly always full.
Always full.
Oh boy. A lot of them spoiled though.
That may have to know. If I rain upon them and spoil tight cook, you tell me. Yesterday he say, no for them are spoiled, man. He said, like how it rain again make it worse.
Yeah.
The man never come yesterday. And next week Friday before he come.
That's the
That time he
market
drop
man.
off.
The man who, the market man?
Yeah.
Oh.
That time he drop off and I go town. So if he can create go town.
Yeah.
But by next week he drop off. So when he come he say, if I know me come, I say I feel trouble that. Cause you don't know what happen now. When it's spoiled, I no get none, you know. Me can't do nothing no tight, you know. That's true. So me just say, alright. Cause he would have make more money. I make more me too. So when him no come, me not give myself no trouble. Oh, I saw that chile stay too.
If them spoil?
Oh, what that chile? It open. Be enough though.
A lot of them spoil too.
Oh, what that chile?
Yeah, them worse than this one over here, so. But more okay on that one that you're under now.
Yeah. I best I chop them better than chop down again. So me not get.
So more for me I pick just that then I bucket.
Me don't know if it's true in there.
So you probably throw them and they drop out. No, around it.
Me find what better in my hand, me don't know.
You know so me pick more on that.
Well, where?
Checking pocket.
Too long man.
Oh. What you find? Both dozen? Satisfied what you find, sir? Me not go me up. Just satisfied what you find. Me tell you something, I want to go to Sasar, I go put against it. So God, I say, I could be like a fool, but then spoil all.
Water spoil them.
I just anything you find this.
You can't one dozen aki feed.
Me?
One dozen.
Okay. This is good, you know, man.
36 peg of aki that you know.
This is good, man.
That good now pick my pool.
Of course, when I get none. I never get none. Because I don't think nobody will come here before.
I think nobody will come here before you, not you?
No. I can't have that. So I think
nobody will come before we. I will first come.
I first come.
First
my last come. I must come.
Alright.
That's supposed to can do your dinner now.
That's
this is some more pick them.
If you can't catch it over stress yourself.
Then they're low enough, but me can't reach and stick could have to use.
It on man for
stick so long.
Oh, I like a bamboo that you use.
Ready. I come and pick them.
Pick them, yes man. I have the time, so now I rush you. Because put it on what my name remember.
You know you want to stick with piece of wire one.
Pull them off.
Yeah.
So me,
You know, stick, you man have the right stick and hide it.
so me never did do it. Take it bottom, just your now come. I started to take picky. Yeah. Ackee and saltfish na idea. And rice. I cooked yam last night, right now yam maybe nice.
You don't like yam?
Asa. Fry and big piece of yam and give me a piece of yam and big piece of round leaf. Me cut off all that to what is a good at and me never know. Me no want no more yam for the week. You love yam, yeah?
Done today, no?
You want no more yam?
Alright. Next week or tomorrow, so you can start it yam tomorrow too.
I'll tell you something. You see any amount of yam I eat? I'm hungry see you here. So I'm not fool on it. No, sir. I can't make 3-4 pieces. I can't compulsory me eat a belly full of yam. A round leaf? Can't eat yam, man. Me eat a belly full of rice.
Full of rice?
I don't love it, but maybe time I eat a belly full of, I have to mix up the food, but I don't love rice. I like me cook one breadfruit or a piece of breadfruit or 2 dumplings or 2 finger banana, so I can't. You know power I am. Compulsory when me eat 6 pieces of yam. Like me go up going and see a yam and it a grow and me just dig it and come over and cook it. And me eat that and if piece left tomorrow, it no nice me. No nice me. Raw yam.
No man, when you cook and you put it down.
Yeah, like that me can fry. Sometimes. I hot up it like a morning. But regular me can't manage this. I manage my yam.
Alright, you get more than what you're bargaining for you now.
Okay. That's a
You
good
get more than
amount.
what? You got about 2 dozen, you know?
Alright, so I'll have some tomorrow. I'll have some
see it?
for the morning.
See it,
Tomorrow.
Marcel?
I'll have some for tomorrow.
Pretty.
I'll have some for
Chappy Brown,
tomorrow.
Ackee tree.
I'll have some for tomorrow and cook some milk like saltfish.
Alright,
Thanks,
Chappy
yeah.
Brown.
Yeah,
You're alright now.
Yeah, man. Alright, I'm ready to food. You know, say if I don't come out back food in the house.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Respect.
Respect, man. Okay, then? Yeah.
You well fit, man.
Pumpkin fit, man. Good thing me say you hold this type pumpkin.
Yeah. Water? Water in there, you know?
Because it bust in the rainforest. Right across the bus, me just have to smell.
Wow. Oh, that's pretty.
See it?
Yeah. Turn it. Let me see inside. Yellow.
Well fit.
Yellow or orange? Which one?
Pass orange guy. What is this?
Yeah, yeah, man.
How will I get to see them?
Thanks.
You want to see it?
No, I want to have.
Take your hand. Brazil come like a piece.
Yeah, pretty, man. All right, Chappy, thank you. They almost drop? Oh,
Clean off the mud.
wow. Look. did not see that. Oh no. Here I was thinking that, you know, alright, we're out at the worst part of the road now. You're not catching it, man. This part's slippery too, no, Marcel. Yeah. You're welcome, man.